Welcome back. It's a threat now. Panji Mayor Surendra Furtado has threatened the tourism minister that he will expose illegalities in carnival if tourism department fails to allot funds to the CCP to host carnival. Mayor was interacting with media after meeting with the corporators. He reiterated that CCP will host carnival in Panji.
The MLA Panjim doesn't know that we are suffering. Why we should approach? This is nothing but politics. They are trying to weaken me. Only God can weaken me. Man can't weaken Surendra Furtado. I want to know why government is playing politics with CCP every time. Why they don't play politics with Shigmo. If the tourism minister has got guts, I challenge him. Do the Shigmo on his own to the tourism department. I have asked for 1 crore, not 100 crores. Let's see whether they give 1 crore, whether they give 10 lakhs. Let us see.
We are going ahead.
We are going ahead. And when the time comes, I will expose everybody who are involved in what. I have no baggage with me. I don't care. I will expose who are in the event management, who are the partners. Everything I will expose at the right time. If I don't get my money. If the carnival is not done to CCP.
Furtado has also said that CCP will not allow garbage dumping at the proposed site at Bangini. He says site should be utilized for garbage treatment and not for dumping.
Government of Goa doesn't know that Bangini plant is there. There only a garbage treatment plant should come, not dumping as some of my corporators are saying. If you dump, then nobody will trust CCP in future. And I will not allow any dumping there. I will see that a sufficient treatment plant comes there. I make it loud and clear. It is the government, it is also the MLA Panjim who should hand in hand with us work for this garbage treatment plant to get a new site to put the debris, garden waste.
Ironically, Furtado did not clear whether he will keep quiet about the illegalities that he mentions if tourism department allots funds to CCP. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
East Bengal dropped points in their own den on Tuesday as the Kolkata Giants were held to a goalless draw by Churchill Brothers. The draw meant that East Bengal has taken another blow in their title challenge, but the result is not so bad for the Goan club. Churchill will be happy with a valuable point in their bid to get out of the lower half of the I-League table.
2-minute silence is being observed because early this morning there was the sad demise of the father, Mr. Jose Philip Franco, the father of Denzel Franco, Churchill Brothers and East Bengal's, Churchill Brothers and India's international right back. You see all the Churchill Brothers players with the black armband, and this is a mark of respect for the father of Denzel Franco. Denzel Franco flew back this morning to Goa to attend the last rites of his father. Churchill Brothers coming into attack. A good chance for Churchill Brothers. East Bengal's defence in shambles, but young Ajesh takes time. Should have taken a first-time shot, delayed, and East Bengal's defence scrambled back to safety. Danger still not over, and a here comes the dangerous Anthony Wolf, the 30-year-old Trinidad World Cup player. Lovely diagonal ball. This could be the first goal. Harmanjot Khabra. Mehtab Hussain. Using the width of the field. Suoka. Mehtab Hussain compelled to play it back. Arnab Mondal. Again looking for the flick on. Becoming very predictable East Bengal in attack. Though is shaking his head. The players just not showing that sparkle, that extra creativity, that flair for which East Bengal is the Indian club with the best record against foreign teams.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.